Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make this beautiful flower coaster. This is beginner friendly. So let's get started. For the first round, we make a slip knot. Chain 5. Slip stitch into the first stitch. And now make chain 3. So now we make 15 double crochet into the magic ring. So including chain 3 we got total 16 double crochet. Now I reach to the end of this round. I got total 16 double crochet including chain 3. Now slip stitch into the first chain of chain 3. Make chain 3 and make 1 double crochet into the same stitch. Chain 2, skip 1 stitch, make 2 double crochet into the next stitch. Chain 2, skip 1 and 2 double crochet into the next stitch. So we repeat this procedure until we reach to the end. So again skip 1 and make 2 double crochet into the next stitch. So I reach to the end of this round. Chain 2 and we make slip stitch into the first chain of chain 3. So in this round we got total 8 chain space. So make sure you got total 8 chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now we again make a slip knot into the next stitch. And again we make a slip knot into the next stitch. So we reach to the chain space. So our pattern start from here. So we make 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet in every chain space. So we start from the chain 3 count as a double crochet. So we make 2 more double crochet, chain 2 and make 3 double crochet into the same space. Now again we move to the next chain space and we make 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. So we repeat this procedure until we reach to the end. So I reach to the end of this round. This is my last double crochet. And now we make slip knot into the first chain of chain 3. Now we make slip knot into next two stitches. And now again we make a slip knot into this chain space. So our pattern start from this chain space. So in this chain space we make 4 double crochet, chain 2, 4 double crochet. So first we make chain 3. Here chain 3 count as a double crochet. So we make 3 more double crochet. chain 2 and make 4 double crochet into the same chain space. Now we move to the next chain space here, and here we make 4 double crochet, chain 2, 4 double crochet. So we repeat this pattern until we reach to the end. So I reach to the end of this round. This is my last 4 double crochet. Now we slip stitch into the first chain of chain 3, chain 1 and fasten off. So here is our final result. Thanks for watching.